Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through several solutions to fix error code 0xc0000221. And now let's get started. The first solution involves performing a system file check scan. Begin by searching for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. In this window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. Next, we will proceed with a chkdsk scan. Again, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on it to open it as an administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command chkdsk/r/f and press Enter. You will be prompted to confirm. Press Y and then press Enter again to schedule the disk check for the next restart. Our third solution is to utilize the disk cleanup utility. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. Click on OK. In the disk cleanup window, ensure all the boxes are checked and then click on OK again. Finally, select Delete Files to clear temporary files. The last solution is to use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. In the Run window, type MDSC and press Enter. This will open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems to begin the memory diagnostic process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.